Hi, my name is Jamie from ZOLLER UK. I'm here to talk to you about how ZOLLER can improve your processes and increase your quality of your end products. Here at ZOLLER, we understand the increase in demand for higher quality components, reduced lead times and reducing tooling costs. This is why ZOLLER provides an end-to-end solution to help the processes on your shop floor to give you that advantage. Tool presetting is becoming more and more of a popular solution for everyday shop floors. The reason being is the amount of information we can capture from these tools. We can reduce your setup times, increase your tool life, which is ultimately going to increase your quality of components. The key features we can capture from a lot of tools will be gauge lengths, diameters, radiuses, and then most importantly, run out as well. ZOLLER's Power Shrink series machines give operators the confidence in setting their heat shrink tool holders. With some features on our machines, you've got the cool by light cooling bells, our automatic induction coil, you've got shrink by light on the front here, and you've also got a nice feature with our scanning system for automatic recognition of tool holders. ZOLLER's large range of tool inspection machines, such as our Genius here, they can measure almost any feature on a tool. Such features have rake angle, core diameter and radial and axial clearances. The Genius machine has the capability to measure the tool automatically without operator input. At ZOLLER, we've got numerous ways of getting tool data into your CNC machine. The benefits of using one of our options is the fact that we're going to reduce the risk of manual input from your operator being put in wrong. A few of our options are our ZIG code systems. So we've got our ZIG code 4 and our standard ZIG code, which make the use of QR scanning, which will then input the information into your machine. We also have the capability of sending data across a network to a CNC machine that's got access to a network, or we can then utilise stuff such as your Baloff chips or your Mazak smooth controls. So whichever CNC machine you have or controller that you have will have a system in place ready to be able to send data across to it. ZOLLER's tool management solutions and smart cabinets give greater control and traceability across your shop floor, with benefits such as integration into setup sheets, into your CAD/CAM systems such as SolidWorks and VeryCut, to then controlling your storage locations on your shop floor for that traceability of where your tools are. It becomes your one centralised database for your whole shop floor. If you want to understand how ZOLLER can help your processes and integrate into your shop floor, then get in touch with us or come and visit us at our technology centre.